to do the easy flowers and just a finishing. So hold it in writing position, as this way we hold it is writing position. Just give your finishing touches here, some lines, and if you want, this is the shading position. So we hold it in shading position, and then one side dark as the light source. So since the light is coming from here, we'll be making things darker here and light here. Just a finishing like that. Shadow, कोई भी flower का shadow भी नीचे आएगा, तो shadow भी रखना है. So you can mix it. This is the stumps we can mix with. This one, yeah, stumps and the shadow of the thing. Then this, just a finishing, and the last effect like that,
Wow.
like that. That's it. Something fallen down, some effect, roundness should be there. जब ये round है तो lines will be round. Lines should never be straight or vertically or horizontally. It will be like that, right? Thank you.
Thank you, lovely ma'am. Master class.